A statue of Alexander Wood was erected in Toronto, Ontario, Canada by the Church Wellesley Village Business Improvement Area and the Municipal Government of Toronto on May 28, 2005. Designed and constructed by artist Newbigging, the 8-feet-tall bronze sculpture was installed at the corner of Church and Alexander Streets in Church and Wellesley, the gay village of Toronto. It was the first LGBT monument in Canada. The statue was removed and destroyed by the CWVBIA on April 4, 2022, amid renewed focus on Wood's ties to a group that raised funds for a mission school that later became the Shingwauk Indian Residential School. Alexander Wood was a Scottish merchant and magistrate in Upper Canada. In 1810, in the course of his investigation into a rape case in which the victim stated she did not know her assailant's identity but had managed to scratch his penis, Wood personally inspected the genitals of multiple male suspects. The circumstances of the investigation led to accusations of impropriety and rumors of homosexual activity, though formal charges were not pursued against Wood on the condition that he return to Scotland. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.